Think you can do cool stuff with a regular pen? Then you've obviously never used a 3D one. Yep, this thing can do some amazing stuff. You can create pretty much anything. Just takes a little bit of creativity and a good amount of patience. Then it's all fun and games. Alright people, I'm going in!
Perfect! Liam! Snacks ready! I know oranges are your favorite.
No! Not before we wash our hands! You know the rules!
They're clean, okay?
Hey! Hands, sink!
Fine.
This is ridiculous! But if she wants clean hands, fine! I'm using lots of soap, Mom! Whoa! This thing sure is slippery. Hey! I can't get a good grip on it. No! Just forget it. I'll clean. See? I'm just so hungry.
Oh, stay right there. Time to tinkle. Wow! Oh no! Liam!
Huh? What did I do now?
I nearly fell on my head.
The soap! What's it doing down here? It's like it grew legs or something. Come on, stay up there. Wait a minute. I think I have an idea. A 3D pen can help keep your soap in one place. See all these squiggles? They'll all hold onto the soap for ya. Drawing them right onto the soap makes this thing the perfect shape. But we're not done yet. Use the pen to color in this illustration. We chose a unicorn. Use different colors to make it more dynamic. Simply release the color gel with back and forth motions. And voila! A unicorn!
Check out this adorable soap dish. Put it in. And if it's nice and snug, nicely done.
I'm keeping my eyes on you. Oh, that was some deep sleep. Nothing like good tunes to wake me up. Hello? Hey! I love this song! Makes me wanna dance! All dressed. Woohoo! I'm ready to take on the day. That's how it's done. Shoes, please. Oh yeah! Don't mind the walk. Gives me more time to groove. Ah, smell that? Nature, baby!
Hey, it's Liam! What's up?
Ava, hi!
Wait! No, Liam, don't!
What's she waving about?
Liam! Stop! The banana!
He doesn't see it at all, does he? Oh no. Whoa! It's all good. Nothing can slow down these moves. On second thought… Oh man. My headphones! Guess there goes my good time. Now what am I gonna listen to? These things have terrible bass compared to these. Unless I can make my own super pair. And all I need is this 3D pen. Now time to fill in the shape. Keep going, line by line. Then place this piece on. Use the pen to help them stick together. And once that's all dry, attach all the parts you've made. Stick this guy right in there. Ta-da! There. Nice and secure.
Liam? Are you okay?
Oh yeah, check these out. I got my groove back, see?
Catch you later! Hold on, Dad! I need something!
Oh, she didn't even notice, huh? Forgetting something?
Thanks! Let's go! Ugh, I can't find them anywhere! Nope, not in here.
What?
My keys!
You lost them again? Let's go look. Nope.
Did you look under here?
Let's look under the couch. Anything?
No.
Well, let's think here. I don't have them, do I? Oh, nasty.
Ugh, yikes.
I don't know where else to look. Wait a minute. Now hold on to these, Missy.
Goodbye.
Have a nice day.
Wait! Did I remember the keys? I can't see anything in here. Ugh! My nightstand! Oh, man. Dad? Let me in!
This story has taken an interesting turn.
Ugh, this is hopeless. Guess I'm stuck out here.
No one ever takes out the trash. Ava?
I forgot my keys!
Again? Oh boy. Is that all your stuff? That gives me an idea. I can use one of your puzzle pieces to ensure you never lose your keys. Once the piece is all covered, put the first letter of your name on top. All done! Now you'll never miss these. Here you go.
Hey! They have an A on them! Thanks, Dad! Oh! Dad made one of these too! And don't they look cute together? I have the best dad ever!
Works like a charm.
Alright guys, I'm off. You behave for Daddy, alright? Don't take your eyes off her.
See you at dinner.
Toodles! Ugh, I'm bored. Daddy? Will you play with me? What am I supposed to do with this? Ooh! Ugh! 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 That weighs 1,000 pounds! There's gotta be something for me to do in here. Whoa! Look at Mom's dresses! This one's my favorite! No way! Look at all of this grown-up stuff! Holy guacamole! It's like real treasure! I wonder if this'll fit me. Cool!
Finally. All done. Ava? What on earth are you doing?
Do you like? It's all Mom stuff!
Remember, no touching my stuff! Oh no, this is very bad. But I know how to fix this. I'll just give Ava her own jewels. And they'll be fit for a princess. This crown shape will make for the perfect ring. And I can make other shapes too. Like a fun star. And you can use different colors. And what little girl doesn't love hearts? Red is an obvious choice for this one. Almost finished! Isn't it adorable? Don't forget a dot in the middle. It's how you attach the ring. See? Now you have a bunch! And these ones are all yours. Aren't they fabulous?
Thank you, Daddy! And you can wear this!
Now that's some creative power! Wish you had a 3D pen to create things with? Now you know just how to do it! Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun!